Welcome to DamsTV. Dams is not really happy today. We've turned up on the job. All the boards are outside under cover, wrapped up. I mean, at least the boards are neat, Liam. They're not fucking smashed to fuck. So Liam's gonna carry on round and show you the trek that we've got to get from A to B before we even fucking start work.
Slide out.
I mean, it's no one's fault, I suppose. They've just wrapped them up. Maybe there's nowhere to put them. While they were doing the roof, they'd have got wet anyway, so I suppose they've done the best thing they can. But it doesn't make my life easier. Wait till you see the fucking trek. You've got to carry a board. Well, I've not, Liam has. Good job this is before my hernia operation, Liam. No, this is the death plank. Oh. Oh, please don't fall while you're on camera, that'd be hilarious. Look at this plank here. Across the seesaw. It's like a fucking episode of Total Wipeout, this. Across the wibbly wobbly fucking decking boards.
Life-size screwball scramble.
Life-size screwball scramble. I like it. Through and then into the actual conservatory itself. Now the guy gave me 2 days for this, and then he come the other day and said, "Oh, you know what, you might do it in a day." So that's like almost throwing a gauntlet down, and I might just get it done in the day simply because I can still charge him what I'm going to charge him, but it's about an hour and 20 minutes away from our house. We're in Cheshire, like the other side of, not the other side of Cheshire, but round the side of Cheshire. So I mean, it's not good. I'm not happy. Look at my face. I just want to get it boarded, lash it on, and fuck off home. That's the attitude today. So, don't expect a lot of video in on this one. It'll be a short one, I can feel it. Get it boarded, get it lashed on, get in the van, go home. That's the plan. Right, it's just rolling on to 1 o'clock. We've got it all boarded. And I've filled all the tapes out because some of the joints were terrible. This conservatory is all over the place. Liam's just about to mix up. I just ran out. What I did, I had a bit of a filler because I had a bad joint along there. It was touching there and was like an inch out here. So I put a slither of board in and I filled it out. Same round there needed filling out because that brickwork dives away. So I filled it all out. There was a bit of a patch there as well. So I thought I'll fill them. Fill them out. I made a mistake there. I cut an hole in the wrong place. It should have been there. So I patched that up. So I had a filler, is what I'm saying. I had a bucket with about a quart of stuff in. I just run out to fill that, but it's all filled out now, so that'll make it quicker when I'm skimming. Yeah, baby. Liam's just about to mix up, and we're gonna crack on and get it lashed on. Wonder if I can put you anywhere so you can see it. A bit of a time lapse, maybe. You are live on DamsTV. I was going to do a time lapse, but I forgot to press go.
Why is it with old people in technology?
Oh, but keep your hand in dick, Liam.
Yeah, you'll go on your ass on the slippy floor.
It is slipping this floor. Right, I've come up with a bit of a technique for skim face. I noticed yesterday he was doing his angle and he's a bit shit. Show that angle, what I mean.
Not wrong with it, you can't see.
Fucking shitters out. Right, so what I said to him was, if you put a bit on like that, put it on.
And go in neat.
And go in neat. And then, eye it up where you want it, and then put quite a bit of pressure on and come away. And it gets it. It sort of squashes that lump, Liam.
Right.
What I'll do is, I'll do this side coming down and you'll see the difference. But I need to adjust. And then the viewers will see the difference. Viewers.
Viewer will see the difference.
What a wanker. I don't think I should be giving too many trade secrets away though. People might start taking the work off me. Please take it off me. Right. Come round. Oh. Come in there a bit. You can see.
See the child quite clearly, and your ball spot quite clearly too.
The glare off my ball spot.
Yeah, it's interfering with camera lens. Ooh.
Can't have a serious conversation with him, can I?
Don't be serious.
See the difference?
Yeah, I can see the difference. Massive difference.
Hey, let's take my top off because I'm getting hot.
Careful, you'll have modelling agencies coming trying to.
So you've got some demo.
Yeah, well that's your old one. That's not one of the new ones.
The new one's better.
So there you go. Imagine this, but slightly better.
Yeah, but I don't want to put that on. It's too good.
It's like modelling a fucking Adidas t-shirt and saying, imagine Nike instead. No.
Right, skin boy. Put the camera down.
Can I carry on now? Yeah.
Oh, yeah, just show what
I was laying in before I got fucking forced onto the camera.
Fucking laying down, you're doing it, dickhead.
Why are you know?
Who do I know? My dad's bigger than you, now. My dad's world champion of the world.
I get behind you. That's it, punch yourself. Right. And put it camera down.
Right, here we go. I'm just doing a quick time lapse. I forgot to press the flipping button, but here we go. This is me. I think I'm laying down at this stage. Just get it laid down. Look at the way I'm moving on the up. Oh, I'm in the hole patching them holes. Right there, can you just patch them holes? Don't you just love that? Working my way around. Liam, get out of the shot. That's technically not his face on. That is not his face on. Don't tell him. Don't tell him his face is on. Jesus, shouldn't have to do some whinging. Just working my way around the ceiling. It's like flipping so much a Ben Hill. It's quite a big ceiling this to get on. But we're getting to the stage now. Liam's putting that much on. No ceiling is too big for DamsTV. Right, so that's the job. All done. We had a bit of a patch up to do there. Which I'm not going to get paid for. I've just realised. The customer just asked me to do it. All done and dusted. Lovely. A bit of a sheen coming through there. Over there. Told you it was a bit awkward. I know I could have done a bit more filming on this one, but I just wanted to get it done and get home because I'm actually about an hour and a half away from home. So if you've liked the video, like and subscribe and get in the comments, give me a thumbs up. Oh, become a member of the channel if you want. I've got 2 members at the minute. I want to say thank you to my members, John Almond and, what's his name? Sorry.
Sorry.
What is his name? Oh, never mind. I'll have to remember your name, but I will give you another shout out next time. So thanks for becoming a member. No, I'm not putting the voiceover. Oh, actually, I might put it, see if I can put it up on the screen. Members. Woo! We'll all be quick, won't it?
Yeah.
This time next year, though, might have 100.
This time next year, Rodney.
I'm going to be a millionaire. Doubt it. Just thought I'd give you a quick reminder of the shit tip we walked out of.
I don't trust you. I'm going behind you.
What do you mean? Go on, go across it. It's like flipping Dunkirk. Whoa! Dickhead.
Imagine you could go your house.
Oh yeah, that'd be hilarious.
You look round like you wouldn't be there, so I fucking took off running. You nearly got me that then. Right, catch you on the next job. See you later.